Hi, what's up guys? Welcome to this video. Today I'm making a video to show you how to print pictures from your MacBook. It can be a Mac desktop or a laptop, a MacBook Pro, Air or whatever. The process is basically the same. So you want to just go ahead and turn on your printer. Here I have an Office Jet 4650. So it might be slightly different from one printer to another, but the principle is just the same. Alright, so I'm gonna first start by loading some papers. So I have some 5 times 7 inch picture papers. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the regular document papers. Alright, and then we want to go ahead and adjust this slot. This is adjustable. Check the documentation on your printer, figure out how to resize yours. Mine is just simple, so let me adjust this like that. Okay, did you load plain paper letter? This is not letter size paper, so I'm gonna hit no, and then I will be asked to select what type of paper I just loaded. So the size is 5 times 7 inches, and the paper size is photo paper. Then done. Now we are ready to print. Alright, on the computer it is pretty simple. You want to go ahead and locate your pictures you want to print. It's very easy if you have them in your Finder. Some people may have them in their photo gallery app. It gets kind of tricky if you have them over there. You want to make sure you copy them or whatever to your Finder. It is way easier. But before you do that, you want to go ahead and open your settings. Open your settings, and you want to go ahead and open printers. Okay, this is if you don't have your printer added to your computer yet. So if you don't have your printer added to your computer, you want to go ahead and do that. Go to the settings, open printers and scanners, and you want to go ahead and hit the plus icon at the bottom left right here to add a printer or scanner. Alright, so this computer is actually connected to the same Wi-Fi the printer is connected to, so it is gonna quickly scan for available printers. And here is the printer I have in the living room. This is the HP Office Jet 4650 series. And now that I checked that, I want to go ahead and hit add at the bottom right here, and it is going to quickly add that printer to the computer list of printers. Now we are set up, ready to print documents or pictures. Alright, now we want to go ahead and close the settings and go ahead and open our Finder or wherever your pictures are, and we want to go ahead and select the pictures we want to print. Alright, so here are a couple of pictures that I want to print. I have this right here. Okay, about 6 of them. Alright, once you made the selection of the pictures you want to go ahead and print, you want to go ahead and select them. So you can press an Alt command and select them one by one, like that. Select all 6 of them, and then you want to go ahead and go on top. You type file, and right here you can see print. Alright, you also have a shortcut of doing that. After you select the files to print, you can go ahead and hit command, press an Alt command and P at the same time, and it would take you to the print page. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit File and Print. Alright, it's now gonna process all the pictures and go ahead and send. So I can hear the printer printing now. So let's go back to the printer. So yep, we have all the pictures printed. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an overview. And one problem you might run into while printing pictures is, for example, your printer showing you an error message that the paper size doesn't match the inserted paper. So you want to make sure then that you go ahead and print the pictures one by one. This way you will have the option to set the size of the paper. So for this picture right here, you can go ahead and hit File and hit Print. On this page, you can go ahead and select how many copies you want, and the paper size right here, it is set to US letter size, which is 850 by 11 inches, which is too big. This is like a regular document paper, which doesn't match actually the paper size we inserted in the printer, which is 5 by 7 inches. So you want to go ahead and select that and scroll up, and you can see the 5 by 7 over here. You can select that, and you can see that the picture is actually resized to fit better the paper size. Alright, so you want to go ahead and select also landscape for better overview overall. So from here now you can go ahead and hit Print, and then it would print the right way. So yep, that was it on how to print pictures from a Mac computer. If you found this to be useful, make sure to share with friends, drop a like, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.